Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot. And then on today's topic, what will they look? Will they look the statement where one-time Minister of Petroleum, that is Oga David West, where he come and come talk, say, look, say, with the way they sit in, say the leadership of Oga Muhammad Buhari go make sense. Say, that every time they say, he go do it, he go slash down the price of fuel from the price where it is now, 87 naira to 80 to 40 naira. People don't come and look, say, if he do that is if Oga Muhammad Buhari do this thing, say he don't do one great thing for the country. But another people come they look and say, what be the structures where they on ground for him to we go give him that assurance, say yes, if he just bring down the price down to 40 naira. Now what me and Chukwudi they do it in? Now what they chook our mouth into to bring her from their own different angle. So Chukwudi, me, I still stand on the fact, say, look.
You are not standing, you are sitting. You are not standing, you are sitting. Don't tell me you are standing on anything.
Either way, either sitting or standing. Just accept any of this.
Don't confuse Nigerians. Because you are sitting and you are telling me you are standing on which fact? Which fact are you standing on?
I am standing on the fact. Say, look, anything is possible.
It's a wrong fact.
Because you know why I said so? Look at it yourself. Look, Oga Muhammad Buhari don't even talk. Say, look, he go investigate the $20 billion case. Quickly, sharp. People don't they release statement, don't they return money, don't they do it, they don't they address audit matter, say they want make sure say look, they present audit, and we will still check into that audit subsequently. But now that's what I said. The other day, we talk say, look, the fear of Buhari, now do it, now the beginning of a good leadership, the beginning of
that statement is inconsequential.
Why?
To this discussion.
How?
You know why?
How?
We know they talk about fear. Say you the fear person. Say, hey, it's not about fear. Chukwudi. It's about doing. It's about transparency. Okay. It's about doing the right thing.
And Chukwudi,
make I critically analyze the statement.
Beat your chest. Tell me say under the leadership of Oga Muhammad Buhari, no go see transparency.
That will be tantamount to assuming the omnipresence. I'm not God, yes.
Because this is the transparency we felt when he was in power as the military head of state.
You cannot say that.
There was no increase in fuel. The refineries were effectively working, and he built the refineries. And apart from that, the currency rate compared to dollar that time was so stable to the point that Nigerians at that point could beat their chest to say, yes, I am a Nigerian. I am so proud of the leadership of Muhammad Buhari.
I want puncture your argument.
Where?
Nigeria gained independence 1960.
Beautiful.
You understand? Oga Buhari used military pursue democratically elected government for 1983. Do your plus or minus from 1960 to 1983. Thereabouts, now 23 years. 23 years after independence, nascent democracy. Things they move. Nigerians they move forward. Remember, I said we don't fight one war for 2.5 years. When we talk in a rebuilding process, let's go back from 1985 to date. Make we go and check the difference when it happen for our society. Make I thoroughly analyze.
No, state this difference.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
State your differences.
Thank you.
Let me hear.
Make I break down the statement when we say Professor Tamuno David Ware, a man I respect so much. Professor Tamuno David Ware, make I break his statement down. First and foremost, he mean to come and talk say Nigeria they produce millions of barrels of crude every day. True, I agree with that statement. Number one, he can also talk and say if they harness all those production where the thing go boost the industry. True, I agree with that one. The second one, when he come talk, when we say I can't wear recommended glass, they look and say you should not make this such a statement because it is tantamount to assuming the omnipresence. He come and talk say he want assure Nigerians. Say when Oga Muhammad Buhari take over, remember, you are not the president-elect, and you should not be making such a statement. Say he beat in chest, say if Oga Muhammad Buhari take over, say they go they sell fuel at 14 naira. How can you wait?
If with the recommended glass, he don't foresee the possibilities of Oga Muhammad Buhari slashing down the price of fuel to 14 naira?
Thank you. Oga Muhammad Buhari don't ever go meet up for your house for discuss the price of fuel.
Okay.
How can
Chukwudi, hold on.
No. I want to foresee too. I want to foresee into your life too.
Don't foresee into my own life.
I can foresee.
What has my life got to do with yours?
So
no. Foresee.
Let me foresee. Tomorrow.
No, just go foresee. No. Because see, no foresee wetin go dey wrong. Because
tomorrow,
if you foresee wetin dey wrong,
tomorrow you go come into the studio naked. I don't foresee am too. Because you dey tell me say person go foresee say they go just reduce price of fuel to 40 naira without letting Nigerians, without breaking the thing down, explaining to Nigerians say our refineries no dey work. Oh.
See, listen.
No, I don't foresee am to you.
Listen,
you will come to the studio
naked. That your foresee, I no go accept am.
You will accept it.
Why will I accept it?
It's a foresee.
I'm not accepting your foresee. your foresee can be your foresee.
I foresee
your
it for
foresee
you.
will not be effective on me.
I foresee it for you.
When you're not God.
You must. Is Professor Tamuno David West God? That's the question.
Okay, when was he minister? Under whose leadership?
You said?
Yeah. When was he Minister of Petroleum? Under whose leadership?
Me and you not be friend.
No, under
whose
leadership was he Minister of Petroleum?
Because I am your friend and I know the kind of clothes where you come.
You know whether they see a die? You know whether they see their clothes? Under the leadership of Governor Mohamed Buhari, that was when he was minister. So what are we saying?
The same person when
he
come
was
out.
Minister under Mohamed Buhari. So what are we saying?
Is that why you can come out and say that fuel will be dispensed
very well, that knows how effective his works are, and where he also beat his chest say that every time they say if he enter power, say they will slash down the price.
There is every tendency.
So what are you saying?
There is every tendency. So long as there is a possibility that it will not work. You are not making anything clear to me.
We have seen over time.
You are confusing Nigerians.
I am not. Over
time. You are confusing Nigerians.
We have seen the increase of fuel prices. What has these prices done to the life of Nigerians? That is the question. Okay, look at over time. Look at from when I started to mention and say they don't increase fuel. Did the increase effectively add up any good change to the lives of Nigerians? Okay, we can also witness when Oga Mohamed Buhari Day, we will not even express one increase. We saw development. We saw rapid development in the life of Nigerians. Okay, afterwards, increase of fuel can't take place. They can't start up again under Oga IBB. Yes, IBB down lane till now. We will see increase. What can you boast of say yes, Nigeria have achieved as a country? Has it improved your own life as an individual?
The queues.
Has it improved your life as an individual?
The queues that are always at our filling stations at some particular point.
You're not even ashamed to come and you're not even ashamed to come and say of all things what your leadership, your government have been so effective on is to stop queue. Is that what you're talking about?
Who be the people when go up in arms?
It's not the right of Nigeria. It's not the right of our leader to make sure say they
when the
provide
administration of Goodluck Ebele Jonathan come out for Nigeria say make we comot subsidy on fuel. Who be the people when carry the matter for head say no, make dem no comot fuel subsidy. The president foresaw
with the subsidy
that things can change.
Oga Mohamed Buhari just talk and say this subsidy dem comot say monkey hand dey inside. Say they no comot any subsidy. Say they just dey play they just take us to turner, aeroplane turner. Say that they comot subsidy. They no comot anything. Where the money dey go?
Who be the people when
where
come out?
The money of the subsidy
Who be
go?
the people when kick against the removal of fuel subsidy? That is my question.
Answer to that.
This market
answer to that.
Then gang up.
Answer to that.
And Nigerians came out. Don't ask me that. Nigerians came out en masse. I followed Godi. I followed Go Ojota.
Nigerians came out.
We go to protest, but we were saying simply. Let Nigerians know, educate Nigerians. Say this fuel subsidy wey una wan remove o, una wan use am do this, do that, do this, do that. Make Nigerians no suffer. Considering the fact that we don't get subsequent government, make I even take am back to 1983.
Upon all these things, what the removal, waiting we see.
Thank you very much.
What has it affected in
Thank you very much.
That's the question.
We have seen development in certain aspects of our society.
It has built up the corruption level. That is why, just because of that is why our leaders, the present government, just tried everything possible to make sure say that man of transparency say he no go do it, he no go contest for this election. And eventually don't contest, can't win. It's just people they run just they run up and down to make sure say their lapses, say and do it, they fill them up.
You better no bite your tongue say you want to
they fill up their lapses. Just to make sure say they avoid the rot of Oga Mohamed Buhari when he comes to power.
You see the problem when you use word like rot, you they make am look like say na punishment or na destruction when we dey wait for. Yes, because using the word rot, using the word you know, it dey make am be like say no be we elect a deity. You understand? Person when we say na punishment, he go come. Nkubi, I still insist. Nkubi, I still insist. Just like I said yesterday, when I talk about this show, say some people we know say this person, our papa na man of integrity.
Thank you. Thank you for admitting to that. Thank you for admitting to that.
I have never said anything else. Otherwise, because I know him, I've read about him a lot. And me and him, we don't deal.
But you were also one of the people who talk say make you provide certificate. Say you no get certificate.
I not talk say make you provide certificate because this.
Make you provide to all level now that certificate that result this thing. Where they kick up again.
You are trying to rope me into this matter.
Why would I rope you in?
Because me I go.
We're not one of the frontiers of kicking against him not contesting.
Excuse me, I have a military background. You understand? Those of us when we get military background, we know the difference between knowledge and intelligence.
Okay.
We know say Baba na person when we say the kind things when we say he don't see. You never see them now. The highest you can do is fall like a mango tree. But people like us, when don't use eye, face, when don't think of how to, military background. That's what I'm talking about. Forget certificate issue. What will they discuss here now?
So
now the issue of 40 naira for
and
fuel.
I talk say, and what if he come in, do am?
What if it's no different from when he go do am? Allow Baba to give us a plan. No be Professor Tamuno dey do West go come and tell us say, see wetin go possible.
Igo, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Oga Ukubi and Shukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo. Adebes.
Yeah, Oga Shukudi, Kuda.
Thank you. I will listen to
Oga Ukubi, I want to ask you something.
Oga Igo.
Wait, no, now you go answer.
Okay.
They say,
Right
the Bible say, to whom much is given.
Much is expected.
Much is expected. And best of the same feather, they fly together. You get me? Now you want to tell me now, say somebody will just come and talk, because say he won't carry our fuel. Go 40 naira. Wait to, and I'm explain what are the criteria when they for Nigeria we want to carry our fuel go 40 naira. You
just like that. Just like that.
We have seen it happen.
Wait,
just like that.
During the era of Yaradua, we saw it happen.
Ukubi, listen to him.
Okay. Wait. Our refinery, are they working perfectly?
One, thank you. Answer the question.
Two. How many refineries we get for Nigeria here?
Vis-a-vis the population.
One day for Warri, one day for Kaduna. Now I want to ask you now, where the oil producing states, where they dey? Now for Niger Delta. You carry our refinery from Niger Delta, you carry the go Kanu one. Now we export our oil, they go other country, they go refine send and give us back again. So you want me to say now all those people they send and they give, you know go pay them. What they go take care of come back to?
Okay, go. May I also ask you one question?
You answer his question for last.
Wait now, and this woman, this man when he come outside, Oga Tom, this way the Oga
Tamuno
West. When you come outside, I talk this thing, make I tell you now, pure in the fight political appointment because the time when he get political appointment and during the time of Muhammadu Buhari too, now get so now they come outside now they come fight political appointment. See, make all this guys cannot come media. They can't tell us say, see, so are they omnipresent and ministerial?
Okay, thank you, Ogaigo. Thank you, but I still want to ask you one question. The question I want to ask you is say, under whose government, Nigeria, the government build refineries?
I know they hear you say.
Under whose government, Nigeria, the government, that is government build refineries? Under the government of Oga Muhammadu Buhari?
With which money they do that?
Hold on now. You still there say, if this man enter power, the possibilities of him bringing down the price of fuel to $40 no day.
Wait. That refinery you talk to, you talk of that time, that time when Muhammadu Buhari you know what they can compare now, civilization don't come Nigeria, far that you know take a compare
see we dey describe it that way based on wetin based on how far the country don dey deep in issues.
Oga Igbo, thank you very much. You don make very important point.
Stop us from retracing ourselves back
breathe in and breathe out and answer in question. Breathe in and breathe out and answer in question. He don use question destabilize you. You don come dey talk anyhow.
You don do you.
Make we take Polycarp. Polycarp dey call us from Enugu.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chukwode.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, sir.
The thing where David Wells talk, I will know whether he will be a scum magician. Because I know say the time where he be minister, he never do anything like that. And I'm taking this opportunity to advise our president, incoming president, beware of psychophants. They don't come.
Thank you.
David Wells are watching the name. He don't come. He's looking for another job again. He has still nothing during his time where he be the minister. He never did the price of fuel. He never did any refinery. He never improved on the sector of fuel in Nigeria. He did nothing. He don't go back to the classroom now. He don't look for another job again. Let them be careful. And then go be careful. How do we are defending, Because if the Buhari said I'm 40 now, it's good. And you know where he will get money where they do the job they do. Because not say Nigeria's economy is not based on fuel. I know when I go bring granite from Kano. Maybe fish from what is the term? For Sokoto State, that what they call them, that Suliba where they're there. Adungu River. Go to the side where they fight for Boko Haram, go bring the money where they take Nigeria. So maybe they come about 5 points, they don't come more. And David West is looking for money now. He's looking for work.
Oga Polycarp, thank you very much. You don't make very, very important statements. I beg, just help us, they watch as they hot, they go and tell Enugu people. Make them
Thank you
watch
very much,
the
Oga.
go.
See, Chukudi.
Addressing points when he don't talk.
See, Chukudi. What is
people
wrong
when they
in,
make Nigerians
what
believe
is
say
wrong in
General
a man,
Muhammadu Buhari go
what
do
is
miracle.
wrong in a man
They
who understands
putting us on the wrong
philosophy?
track.
What is wrong in a man who understands the philosophy of Oga Muhammadu Buhari? What is wrong in a man who understands how the government of Oga Muhammadu Buhari to come out to talk, say, look, if Oga Muhammadu Buhari enter power, say if he bring down the price of fuel to 14 naira.
But what is wrong with the same man explaining to us, say our refineries no they work well. We go need so amount of time to use make the refineries work. Stop exportation of our crude and importing and back. Make Nigerians begin to say, no just come and tell Nigerians say they go reduce fuel by 14 naira.
Under the era of the late Oga Yaradua, say where the refinery is working.
You say wait.
But he slashed down the price of fuel.
Nkubi, stop confusing Nigerians.
How?
I will not accept it.
Why?
That you come here and be confusing Nigerians.
How?
Make we look this time.
How?
Make we look that time.
How?
Make we see the difference.
How?
You just come down
he
say
brought down the price of fuel.
He brought down the price of fuel.
From how much? From 17 naira to 65 naira.
We get subsidy that time.
What are you saying?
We dey pay subsidy that time. We know they pay subsidy.
Chukudi, answer to that question. You answer to my own.
Oga Abasi, they call us from Sokoto. Oga Abasi, good morning, sir.
Oga Abasi, good morning, Jare.
Good morning, Kubi.
Oga Abasi, well done.
Good morning, Chukwode.
I dey hear you, Oga Abasi. Good morning, sir.
Okay. So, what I want to chook into this matter, are you hearing me?
Yes, we hear.
Is that this Buhari regime, I hope not be look much and see less we're going to see.
Thank you. Tell them. Tell them.
But
Buhari said immediately they just pronouncing the winner, Boko Haram will stop. As he came inside, he said the fight is not for federal government alone. I read it from paper where he said the fight will not be left for federal government alone. Dollar, he said dollar will be 1-to-1. Now, as at today, it's 195. It don't even increase. So what I want to say is that his first regime, are you getting me? His first regime was military, where they used to carry gun, tell the woman where they sell rice, say,
do as you do. Where they suspend the constitution.
They will go
Thank
to bread baker, say, this is what you want to sell a loaf of bread, without considering cost of production.
Thank you.
It's not like that. So coming to oil now, oil community, OPEC, they have standard price.
Oh.
It is not possible for Nigeria to reduce their own to 40.
And what if the international price is...
It's not possible.
Listen.
Let us not deceive. We are not fools.
Yes.
We are educated.
Okay.
We are educated. We have educated people in Nigeria. Mm-hmm. So if the man is coming now, he doesn't know since 1983 to now, how many years? It be like say the man don't know where we there.
Thank you.
I mean the Buhari, it be like say don't know where we there now.
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi. Thank you for your contribution. But me, and what if okay?
Nkubi, this what if when you dey talk, na the thing they pay me. Make we check the reality on ground. No, they talk say what if.
What reality?
You understand?
What reality?
What is what if?
What reality on ground? Which reality wey they no fit break?
What is the reality on ground?
Which kind of reality?
Our refineries.
They no fit contain to make sure say these things work.
Now wetin you go come and come tell Nigerians be that? Say we go make our refineries work. No be say you go come and tell Nigerians say once General Muhammadu Buhari become president, he dey very sure say he go sell fuel for 14 naira. Our refineries go dey work. We dey pay subsidy. Marketers dey hold the country to ransom. Now all these things now we go tackle first. Before you just come and talk say you go reduce fuel price. Make I ask you one question.
Okay.
Your pikin just come back from school. Come tell you say, Daddy, this third term that we are going, I'm going to carry first. Before your pikin go make that kind of pronouncement, you go don make sure say you don buy am all the textbooks. No be just buying all the textbooks. You go make sure say you get am extra lesson teacher wey go dey teach am extra, and your pikin must to dey read. Your pikin no read, you no buy am textbook, you no get am lesson teacher, and you expect say you go carry first. That's what we are saying. Don't come and tell Nigerians that you reduce the price of fuel.
And what if this pikin?
Are you the president elect?
Hold on. What if this pikin? They buy am all these things, but personally, no con dey serious. serious.
That be your own problem.
No, it is never my problem.
It is your fault.
It is never my problem.
Because as
the
the father of your child,
all the necessary
you have the power.
But yet, okay, you still try to make sure say you understand. You learn. But personally, maybe somehow, and some one or two things.
Because the pikin resemble you, you no sabi anything. Yes. I bet wear your cap. Unkubi, wear your cap. I think go beg. Unkubi, wear your cap. I think go beg you. Wear your cap. Unkubi, you must wear this cap.
What was that last statement you made?
Unkubi, wear your cap. I think go beg you.
I want you to repeat that last statement you made.
Which last statement?
Say it take my weighting resemble me.
You say you buy textbook for pikin. The pikin no serious. I got to say if you read the book no enter. Now he be say now you use Olodo resemble you now. Make we take Dean from me now. No verse. I just talk and no verse. More take Dean from me now. Oga Dean, good morning, sir. No verse. Now just talk. I talk. Oga Dean, good morning.
Oga Dean, good morning.
Unkubi, wear your cap. Make Dean.
Oga Dean, good morning.
Wear cap. Make Dean answer. Pick our call now. I bet wear your cap.
Oga Dean, you did there. Bila say we don't lose that one.
Wear your cap. Make Oga Dean feel talk now.
Chukudi. Just make I just go. No go break. Make we go break.
Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. We don't reach the final part of our discussion, and what we discuss now the statement when we say Professor Tamuno David West, former petroleum minister between 1984 and 1985, come out, come talk, say, he believes, say, as Oga Muhammadu Buhari go sit down on top of Oga President chair, say the price of fuel go fall down to 14 naira. People agree with him, say, yes, not true, if we do things well. But other people come talk, say, all this kind of talk when we say in they talk. When we say no be him be the president-elect, and in they talk all this kind of talk, say the thing go they give the ordinary man hope, and if things no work out as he work, you come be like say Oga Muhammadu Buhari no do wetin he supposed do. Ezuku Chukudi Anunku be there inside studio, and we still dey take your calls to see wetin you think about this matter. Nkubi, no allow the cap this thing pass. I just give that example. Say if you, because I talk if pikin they read, you pikin talk say one carry first, and you know by textbook give am, you no go easy now.
Let's move on. Let's move on.
Because the way your voice stay cold like this.
You still get what you want to talk.
Yeah. That the statement when me say Oga Tamuno dey Unkubi reason with me from the way when I look at.
Okay, may I listen to
now. You just come out here talk say Oga Muhammadu Buhari no ever use him out talk say he go reduce the price, he go reduce dollar to 1 naira. Now true, he no talk am. But now people when they say maybe people wey surround am, they talk when they come from the office.
Thank God say people wey
surround am. But you suppose caution these people. Say abeg no talk this kind thing.
People wey experience in government before, people wey say that same position they don be handle am before, people wey say we know am very very well. So these are things you need to look out. And now these same people come and talk say yes. If he comes, there's every tendency that he might slash down the price. I come to ask, and what if it happens?
Nkubi, that what if now they get problem with?
Because if you say some structures never no dey in place.
If you say
what, give that room.
Some of the structures when they in place now, when we say this government don't try to dismantle, now something when we say it go take time from where they don't reach now.
But
the new government go consolidate
under whose government we see change for the oil sector.
Nkubi, you must understand, say, beans and ewa going are two different things.
No, answer that one now.
Beans and ewa going are two different things.
Answer that one. Under whose government you experience, that is development for the oil sector.
If we experience development for the sectors, for that particular sector.
Look, hold on. Do you know that even after that period, when he can come out as military head of state, they still give him under related responsibility as PTF chairman.
Under which government?
Under IBB government.
Thank you very much. Nkubi. Part of the people when destroy this
under either IBB or under Abacha's government.
Part of the people when destroy IBB or Nkubi. Part of the people when excuse me. Part of the people when destroy this our government today. When destroy our country today, based on the kind rule when they rule for us. Under which government?
What are you saying?
What are we saying? What are you saying?
Wetin you dey talk?
I dey talk say the problem we dey face today na from wetin don dey happen since yesterday. All the wahala we don dey face. For us to fit get credible election for 2015, na because of the good example when we say Oga President don dey set since 2011.
And for your own
when we dey see free and fair election for different parts of this country.
You don tell me say we don see that change. I be rather the problem don't even increase under this government.
We have started from somewhere. We are going somewhere.
Are we crawling? Are we moving?
Eba and AJJ is where we are going to. We dey in a process. We dey move. I dey tell you, malaria dey start with wetin? Mosquito bites. Malaria, they know they call and come. If they start with mosquito bites, if mosquito bites you, then you can't see the movement. You go expand to malaria.
Make us see where that waka will carry us reach.
Make we check messages for
Right on, read.
for
State
Facebook.
your messages.
Make we come begin see what people they talk. Now see Umaru Nasiru tell us say, I pray say God go make am possible. That is where I have a problem. When we
what
know
is wrong in what Umaru has
I
said?
pray say God go make am possible.
You see?
I pray say God go make am possible.
No. Look,
Because Umaru Nasiru from this statement, Umaru Nasiru
the
knows
same way
this
I
thing.
dropped my own question, my own say, and what if it can't be possible? Now the same way Umaru they try
As you
address
dey
it.
say, what if it no come possible? As for this country,
We dey try look am from both ends. Okay, we are from the possibility of if it possible. Then I can't hope follow you. We are from the possibility of if no possible.
Nkubi, if you no prepare for exam, you no fit pass.
Chukudi.
If you no prepare for exam, you no fit pass. Don't lock for this one.
And what if they don't prepare? Something don't dey in place to make sure say yes, this thing work.
Preparation don dey in the first place. We are talking of preparation.
And now, what if things don't dey in place? So we say they don't dey plan. Say once they don't come into power, say this thing go take effect. We go make that thing dey possible.
Allow the person wey go do the thing talk am. No be you go call the talk am on behalf of the person. It's Professor
And
Tamu
why?
David as the president.
Hold on now. That is why I
Is
said.
he the president
Say
elect?
not be in talk, but person wey even talk, no and better.
You know am better, but make we hear am from the person mouth.
Okay, read more messages.
Njide Okwara Osi talk say time go tell.
Time
Papa
go
Talk
tell.
Gbekele talk say wetin I believe be say make dem do am right so that e go fit benefit both the poor and the rich. Olalekan Idowu say e go better.
Thank you.
Emmanuel John talk say na wahala wan come so Adesola Joe talk say God go help them o. The problem I have with this na say
you see Nigerians are reasoning the same way I'm reasoning.
How are they
Look
reasoning?
at eventually all the messages you've read. Still they told the same line of the question I asked. And what if it be possible?
which line these people dey talk?
Say
These people
God go let am work o.
You see?
Say yes, it might be possible o. Say
You
yes,
see?
okay, let's see how it goes o. Say the same it revolve around the same kind of
Nkubi. When Chief Olusegun Obasanjo talk say if people come from heaven come conduct free and fair election for this country, if they come conduct election, the election no go dey free and fair. Many of us come and talk say, hey, na God go do am for
but
us, God go help us.
we saw a free and fair election.
Goodluck Ebele Jonathan set institutions
The
in
same
place.
thing
He set
that is
institutions in place.
applicable to the issue on ground. The sector is in a coma. The sector they face challenges. Somebody talks say, okay, this person we won't come in. There's everything they say if he come in, say he go bring in change. If he slash the price, and because he dey doubt am, how you go dey doubt am?
You go tell us how the person go do am. No be say you go just come tell us say Goodluck Ebele Jonathan showed us that we can have free and fair election. You can be the sitting president and you can still lose election.
Chukudi.
If Nigerians come out and vote for who they want to vote for.
Leave this man alone. Let him come in and let's see what he will do.
Don't raise the hope of Nigerians.
Why won't I raise the hope?
So that after tomorrow, if things no come work the way we go work, we will come to say, na this man talk am.
Chukudi, I still believe say this government wey dey come in go dey far better off than every other government wey don dey in the past.
Our people when they for us, this discussion no go end for here. As usual, we go carry am go on top of Facebook, on top of Twitter, and even our website. Continue to dey send us your message. Ezekuchukwu and Nkubi go dey on top of the platform. They follow and discuss am. Remember what you dey always dey talk when the show end. Nigeria and our country, you no go spoil. Oga Muhammadu Buhari don talk am say na the collective will of Nigerians na we go use to repair our country. And Oga President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan don talk say we go need to make plenty sacrifice. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. My name na Ezekuchukwu.
And my own name na Nkubi.
And together we say una bye bye.
Na bye bye.
You dey tell people they say God go help us. God will do
see,
it.
Chukudi.
Oh my God. They don't
Understand?
resign to faith.
Listen,
People don't resign to
if they
faith.
possible.